Hello guys and welcome back to .NET in Minutes. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of the most important concepts in .NET, dependency injection. You hear about it everywhere, but what does it actually mean? Don't worry, I will explain it in a way that's super simple and visual, and by the end you'll understand exactly why we use it and how it works. Let's start with the problem dependency injection solves. Imagine you have a class that depends on another class. Normally, you might create it directly inside the class, but that creates tight coupling. Dependency injection is a design pattern that removes the coupling. Instead of class creating what it needs, it receives what it needs. That's the injection part. Okay, let's build a small demo API in .NET 8 to understand it practically. Create new project, ASP.NET Core Web API. Let's name it demo. Okay, next. .NET 8, HTTPS, Open API support, use controller. Create. Okay, we will start by creating a simple interface and a service class that implements it. First of all, we have to add a new folder, services. Okay, and here add a class. First of all, we have to add the interface message service. Okay, and here we'll declare a string get message. Perfect. And after that we have to add a class name message service. Perfect. We have to inherit from message service control dot implement interface. The method appear here, and here we'll return hello from message service. It's perfect for now. Now let's inject the service into a controller. Instead of creating it manually, we'll let .NET handle it for us through dependency injection. We'll go in controller, new controller, and we see controller empty. Home controller is okay for now. Here we write home controller base. Okay, we have to delete this. Add here at the top API controller the root API / controller. Perfect. And now we have to add dependency injection via constructor. If we write ctor, the constructor will be automatically added. Message service control dot, and the second option will create as a private read-only iMessage service, and this message service equal message service. The dependency is injected via constructor right now here. Let's comment to understand better. Look, the dependency is injected via the constructor. Okay, and let's make a HTTP get message. No, we don't need this. HTTP get. It's okay. Okay, public string get, and use the injected service. Return message service that get message. Notice we never new up the message service here. The controller just declare what it needs. .NET automatically provide it at runtime. Okay, now we have to register service in program. Let's just need to tell .NET how to create this dependency. We register it in the dependency injection container using builder.service. In program.cs, after add swagger gen, builder.services.AddScoped iMessage service message service. Let's comment register our dependency. Okay, here we are using AddScoped, which means one instance of message service is created per HTTP request. You can also use AddSingleton or AddTransient depending on your needs. And I will show you what those mean in a second. Let's test it. Let's run our project. Open Swagger. First of all, we have to wait and go to API home. Okay, try it out. Execute. Here, hello from message service. This is our returned from service. Okay, that's all. It's working. Lifetime differences. Let's quickly talk about the three main service lifetime is in .NET. Singleton, only one instance for the entire application lifetime. Scope, one instance per HTTP request. Transient, a new instance every time it's requested. Most of the time you'll use scope for database or service logic. Dependency injection makes your code easier to test, maintain, and scale. It helps you follow the solid principle, especially the D, dependency inversion. Instead of your classes creating everything themselves, you let the framework handle it, clean and professional. And that's it. You now understand what dependency injection is and how it works in .NET. We registered a service, injected it to a controller, and saw it in action. In future episodes, we'll combine dependency injection with real repositories and databases for larger projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more .NET tutorials every week. Bye bye guys, love you.